Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitting designer and coach behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I am going to tell you how to do a slip-one yarn over, which is a stitch used in brioche. Really, it's one of the two foundational stitches in one color brioche. There's the brioche knit and the slip-one yarn over, and one of the three foundational stitches in two color brioche, which uses the brioche knit, the brioche purl, and the slip-one yarn over. So it's an important stitch. And when I first started reading about it, here I'm just going to work a couple stitches until, I guess I just only have one stitch till I get there. When I first read the slip-one yarn over in a pattern, it felt so confusing. It's like, so you slip the stitch and then you put the yarn over so that it crosses over the stitch that you slipped, and it just felt confusing and I wasn't sure if I was doing it the right way. But when I got figured out what it was, it felt so simple. So it really is what it sounds like. We're going to slip the stitch purlwise and we're going to make a yarn over. And that's all the slip-one yarn over is. This here is a brioche knit. If you're not familiar with how to do that and you want to watch the tutorial, I'll link that right up here in the description, or not in the description, in the video. But then we do another slip-one yarn over. So slip it purlwise with the yarn in front and yarn over. Then we do a brioche knit, slip-one yarn over. So slip that stitch, and I go ahead and kind of just do that motion all while it's on the needle down here. Just for speed. So slip one and yarn over, and then I can pick up the yarn, and the yarn is in the back for the next stitch, the brioche knit. So slip one, yarn over, brioche knit, slip one, yarn over, slip the stitch purlwise, wrap the yarn around the needle, and that is the slip-one yarn over. So I really hope that this video helped clarify what that stitch is. If you were feeling very confused and overwhelmed about it, I hope that this makes it feel easy, especially if you already know how to slip a stitch and you already know how to create a yarn over, because that's what the stitch is. So I hope you found this video helpful, informative, easy to follow, that it makes you feel confident in working one color brioche and beyond. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the Snickerdoodle Knits channel. I produce video tutorial just like this for each of the techniques that I use in my patterns, as well as design overview videos about each of my designs so you can learn all about it before you ever even purchase the pattern. So I look forward to seeing you around, and happy knitting!